Use the discriminant to determine how many x-intercepts the function has. So we'll take a look at these functions here on the right and we'll figure it out. Remember, the discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. And the idea is, well, if that discriminant is positive, you're going to have 2 x-intercepts. If the discriminant is 0, you're going to have 1 x-intercept. If the discriminant is negative, you're going to have no x-intercepts because there'll be no real solutions. Okay, so for this first function here, we have b is 1, the invisible 1 in front of the x. So we're going to have, so I'll write it up here, 1 squared minus 4 times negative 2 times 4. So let's do this multiplication first here and then subtract after. Remember your order of operations. So I'm going to treat the subtraction sign with the 4 as a negative 4. So this is negative 4 times negative 2, which is positive 8, and then 8 times 4 is 32. So really we have 1 plus 32, which is 33. Here we have a positive number for the discriminant. It means there are 2 x-intercepts. And let me just graph this on the calculator to verify for you. Negative 2x squared plus x plus 4 graph. So there you can see 2 x-intercepts. So that looks good. Let's take a look at the next one. Our b value is negative 8, so it's going to be negative 8 squared minus 4, and the a value is 1, and then times 16. So negative 8 squared is 64 minus, and 4 times 1 is 4, and negative 4 times 16 is 64, so it's going to be 64 minus 64 equals 0. That's going to be 1 x-intercept. Let's graph it on the calculator. So we have x squared minus 8x plus 16. Okay, look at that, 1 x-intercept right there. That's where the vertex is. Let's take a look at the third one. The b value is 4, so it's going to be 4 squared minus 4, and then times negative 2, and then times negative 10. 4 squared is 16, and then negative 4 times negative 2 is positive 8, and then 8 times negative 10 is negative 80, so it'll be 16 minus 80, and that is negative 64. So that should mean no x-intercepts. Now let's take a look at the graph. Negative 2x squared plus 4x minus 10. Oh, you see down the bottom here, you see that's the little kind of like top piece of the parabola, but it extends down forever, of course, in both directions. You can see it does not cross the x-axis, so there are no x-intercepts. And that's consistent with our negative discriminant right here. Okay, so this is how you can use a discriminant to help interpret a function before you even graph it.